Hi, I'm Connie Susilawati. I'm Associate Professor and Subject Area Coordinator for Bachelor of Property Economics at QUT. Property economics is all aspects of property, from development, investment, asset management, valuation, and also research. Property is major asset class in diversified investment portfolio for companies, but also for individual. It's probably one of the larger assets that individual ever have. QUT offers one of the few specialized property courses in Australia. Our course meets the education requirements for professional accreditation and memberships. The 4 professional organizations that accredited our course is Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, Australian Property Institutes, Queensland Values Registration Boards, and Valuers Board of Malaysia. At QUT, you will gain hands-on, real-world experience because our course is designed with authentic learning, and you will do the assignment in the real-life case studies, doing site visits, work experience, and meeting and networking with professionals industry during your degree. We want to make sure that our student has practical experience through exciting projects and opportunities. An example of very exciting project around the recent announcement of Brisbane hosting Olympics. Our students working with Colliers International, analyzing the data of past Olympic cities, how the Olympics actually influence the property market. In their degree, our student has opportunity to do internship experience with companies. After finishing their internship, a lot of our students actually get offered permanent jobs in the area of property development, property investment, property valuation, and property consultancy, as well as in research. Our students also working for public or government, private, and not-for-profit organization, any companies that has property as part of their assets, our students can help and working with them. I hope this answers some of your questions, and I'm looking forward to welcome you in the near future.